boy. Come on, Elliot. Good, come on. You're doing so good. Come on, sweetheart. Elliot. Elliot's exploring under the crib. Well, what do you know? He just fished out his own dust-colored Susie. Dust-covered, not dust-colored yet. Come on, guys. Oh.